what's going on, guys? It is Quackers, and for today's video we have another gameplay of Disasters. Alright, let's hop right in. Alright, we're in a cruise ship. Yeah. Love how there's just a random hole right here where you could just fall. Well, to be honest, if this was like actually a real life thing, I would love to just relax here on a like 5-day cruise. That'd be just such a great vacation. Alright, what disasters do we get? Grounded and tornado. Oh. Is there a tornado over there? Yup. Jumping is disabled for 15 seconds. So I'd just say maybe trying to stay away from that tornado will be good. Hard hat. Oh, if there's anvils, that could help. Jumping has been restored. Yeah, let's go. Did the tornado just disappear? I mean, it isn't even that big of a tornado. It's probably like less than average size. Man, it kinda. The slightly less than average size tornado really messed with this thing. And oh Jesus! Oh no! Zombie apocalypse and swappage. Okay, so oh no! Ow! Why is there the ah! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Ah no! No! Sorry, but sorry, little zombies, but nope. Oh, I'm trapped. What? Please tell me stoppage doesn't end here. Ah! Run. Run. Just bolt. Ah! Child, 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 child! Oh, man. Oh, well. We almost won that game, but let's go on to the other game. Alright, 15 seconds left. And now we got 10 seconds left. Alright, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, get under buildings, just in case of acid rain. 3, 2, 1, alright. Half-elf and dragons. The duo nobody wanted. At least it isn't withers and half-health. That is terrible. Snowballs? God, hiccups are the worst. Alright. Yo, can we have 2 chest plates? Seems dumb, but seems dumb, but I just want to try it. Double chest plate. What? Forest lava! Alright. Let's find a nice pool of lava. No! Oh! What? Alright. Let's go on to the next game. Alright. Oh, thought I could break it. Oh, flower. Let, let me have the flower! Let me have the flower! Alright. We got feather falling boots. Purge. Bang him up, bang up, bang up, bang him up. Alright. Wait, it's flooding! It's flooding! What am I doing? Is it actually flooding? I don't see that much flooding. I think that it's just like always been that. Yeah, it's always been like that. Yeah. Okay, there might be a small flood. Oh well. A hard hat. Nope. Wait, I'm dead. I'm dead. What can I do? Oh, okay, thank God there are stairs. Oh yeah, I was almost dead. Okay, I need some way to get to some kind of roof up here. There's feathers! Ah! And rain. Oh God! Off the tail. Come on. Run. No. What did I do? Blindness. Okay, so I have no idea where anything is now. Alright, I'm just gonna hide over here. Alright. Please tell me it's almost set. Ender pearl. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Oh man. Alright, it's the final game. Hopefully we win. Alright. This is kind of like a cool water effect. Can I like, does it like get us fire? Oh, it does. Nice. Waiting for more players. What? Bro, we had a lot of players. Oh well. Alright. Almost ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go up here. Of course! Great, just great. I couldn't even see this. just great. I can't even see anything! Up here, and then up here. Alright. Alright, we're going up, 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 up. Is the blindness almost gone? I went to high ground. Died while exploring. All I can see is walls. I hate hiccups. Hey, meteor shower and swappage! Okay, I do not trust people. I don't trust people with this. I knew it! I knew it! Run! Just run! Maybe the swampfish. Oh. Well, that is all for today's video. I got I completely lost. The disasters defeated me every time. We are still extremely close to double digits. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye. Bye. Hiccups suck!